How to Deal with Employees Who Love to Argue and Debate Everything, a Guide for Costa. Oil Franchisees. As a Costa Oil franchisee, you may encounter employees who frequently argue or debate decisions, policies, or instructions. While it's valuable to have team members who think critically and are engaged with their work, constant arguing can disrupt workplace harmony and efficiency. Here are some strategies to effectively manage such situations. 1. Understand the underlying cause. Begin by understanding why the employee feels the need to argue or debate frequently. It could be a desire for recognition, a need to feel heard, or possibly a lack of understanding of their role and boundaries within the team. 2. Establish open communication. Create an environment where employees feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and concerns. Encourage open dialogue by having regular one-on-one meetings. This can help in addressing issues before they escalate into arguments. 3. Set clear expectations. Clearly communicate your expectations regarding workplace conduct, including how decisions will be made and how disagreements should be handled. Make sure these expectations are included in your employee handbook or training materials. 4. Foster a positive debate culture. Encourage constructive debate by setting ground rules for discussions. Teach employees how to disagree respectfully and how to present their arguments in a positive, solution-focused manner. 5. Acknowledge good points. When employees raise valid points, acknowledge them. This shows that you value their input and are not dismissing their concerns outright. It can also encourage them to present their views more constructively in the future. 6. Focus on solutions. Shift the focus from winning the argument to finding the best solution for the business. Encourage employees to come with not just problems, but also possible solutions. 7. Training and development. Offer training sessions on communication skills, conflict resolution, and emotional intelligence. This can help employees understand the impact of their behavior and learn more constructive ways to express their opinions. 8. Enforce consequences. If an employee continues to disrupt the workplace with unproductive arguments despite your efforts, it may be necessary to take disciplinary action. Be sure to follow your franchise's procedures for such situations. 9. Lead by example. Demonstrate the behavior you want to see in your employees. Show them how to engage in healthy debate and how to gracefully accept decisions once they are made. 10. Seek feedback. Regularly ask for feedback from your team about the communication and decision-making processes. This can provide valuable insights into how you can improve the workplace environment. By addressing the root causes of argumentative behavior and fostering a culture of respectful, constructive debate, you can turn potential disruptions into opportunities for growth and innovation within your Costa Oil franchise.